When you have high sales but no profit, it is a sign that the business is silently trapped. Let me ask you something very honestly. Have you ever made a good sales in your business, but at the end of the week or at the end of the month, you are still broke? Money came in, but somehow nothing remained. If that sounds like you, then you are not alone. And today I will show you exactly why it's happening that way and how to fix it. I once worked with a business owner, very active guy. Every day customers were buying, alerts were entering his phone non-stop. From the outside, everything looked fine. But one day, I asked him, "How much profit did you make last month?" He couldn't answer. So we began to check together. We checked the cost of goods, checked the transportation cost, we checked all the minor expenses that he has incurred during the period, and the truth came out. He wasn't making real profit. He was just moving money. Money comes in and goes out. And that is what he was doing day in, day out. Here is the mistake most entrepreneurs make. They focus on sales alone, but ignore profit. Ignore factors that determine the profit. Let me make it very simple. Sales is the money you receive. Profit is what remains after all the expenses. If you sell, for example, 500,000 naira worth of goods, that is not your money. From that, you will remove cost of goods sold, cost of transportation, portion of the rent expenses, and other accrued expenses that has to do with that sales or that revenue you realize from the sales. Whatever that is left is now your real profit before tax. Now the problem is most people don't track all this. They just see money and start spending. Before you know it, everything is gone. Let me break it down very quickly this way. You buy goods worth 300,000. You sell for 400,000 or 500,000 as the case may be. You think you made 100,000. But wait, what if your transportation is 20,000? Other expenses amount to 30,000, which is 50,000. So when you take off this 50,000 off the 100,000, your profit is actually 50,000 and not 80,000. Now imagine you spend 80,000 from it already. You have already entered your capital. That is how business start going down without realizing it. So how do you fix this problem? You don't need anything complicated. Just do these three things. Number one, track your daily sales. Number two, write everything down. Number three, track all your expenses, even the small ones. Those little expenses, track them. Calculate your profit regularly. And one more important thing you must do, separate your business money from your personal money. Once you start doing this, you will finally understand your business very clearly. And when there is clarity, growth becomes easier. Alright? So that is a way to fix it. If you want a simple system that helps you track everything without stress, I have already created one you can use step by step. Even if you are not an accountant, just send me a DM and then I will guide you and you get a copy. And most importantly, if you have learned anything from this experience, kindly follow me.